Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that little puff token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Little Puff coin is a community focused meme coin inspired by Little Puff, a globally recognized social media cat built on the Ethereum blockchain. Puff merges internet culture with blockchain technology, offering fans a way to engage with the Little Puff community while participating in token ownership. The project emphasizes transparency and community involvement with a fixed total supply of 10 billion tokens, zero transaction taxes, and mechanism for liquidity provision and token burning. Puff foster engagement virtually and shared ownership among its supporters. Little Puff project institution rating is 2.9. Little Puff token total supply is 1 trillion and circulating supply is also 1 trillion. Puff token. Puff token is listed on L Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.